Hey everybody, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 in cash. Just got this one shined up. This is a 2019 Toyota Corolla. It's only got 30,000 miles on it, still under a factory bumper-to-bumper warranty. Everything's still covered on it. It's got some good Michelin tires on it. This thing gets close to 40 miles to the gallon. It's a beautiful red. It is a Carfax certified one-owner vehicle. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Great shape. Inside we got our standard power locks, power windows, black cloth interior. It's got these heavy-duty floor mats throughout. Here you got your power mirrors and your light adjustment for your dash. Let's go ahead and start it up. Starts right up, as you can see. 30,741 is the miles. No warning lights. You've got Bluetooth, also early collision detection system and in-lane guidance system. Over here you got your volume and controls for your media and your phone. You got a nice touch screen right here, or you can use the buttons, either one. Got a nice backup camera. It is an automatic. Over here you got your Bluetooth and auxiliary input. You can control your traction control there. Dash is in great shape. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. 3 seat belts in the back. As you can see, plenty of leg room back there. Floor mats, heavy duty rubber ones. Large cargo area in the trunk. As you can hear, the vehicle is running very nice and quiet. Plenty of room, great gas mileage. As you can see, there's still plenty of mileage left on both the bumper to bumper, which is the basic, and then the drivetrain actually has quite a bit more left on it. And that's a manufacturer's warranty, not a dealer or service contract. That is straight from the manufacturer. Nice cold air blowing out there. Clean under the hood. Love to get you approved on this one. All you need to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.